we are in those reading comprehension questions that we skipped. So now we know that we don't have to rush. We're going to go through these deliberately. So which choice most logically completes the text? I want to go to the end and highlight what we're going to have to be most attentive to for this blank. So we want to see what the findings are going to suggest. So we're going to read here. Birds of many species ingest foods containing carotenoids, pigmented molecules that are converted into feather coloration. Coloration tends to be especially saturated in male birds' feathers, and because carotenoids also confer health benefits, the deeply saturated colors generally serve to communicate what is known as an honest signal of a bird's overall fitness to potential mates. However, ornithologist Alison Schultz and others have found that males in several species of the tanager genus R use microstructures in their feathers to manipulate light, creating the appearance of deeper saturation without the birds necessarily having to maintain a carotenoid-rich diet. Okay, so they appear to be healthy, but they're not. So we know it is generally known as an honest signal, but in this case, and we're going to use the pink to indicate it, it is not an honest signal. So we need to find an answer choice that matches those facts. So choice A, individual male tanagers can engage in honest signaling without relying on carotenoid consumption. It's not honest signaling. So as soon as we find honest signaling, we're going to highlight that in either color, really, and eliminate choice A. Choice B, feather microstructures may be less effective than deeply saturated feathers for signaling overall fitness. Well, we're not using the microstructures in that way, so we'll eliminate choice B. Then choice C, scientists have yet to determine why tanagers have a preference for mates with colorful appearances. Well, that's not true. It's because they seem to be healthy, so eliminate choice C. And then choice D, a male tanager's appearance may function as a dishonest signal of the individual's overall fitness. Absolutely, and we'll click back at this point.